The last time I posted a video was on the 1st of September and today is the 15th of September. It's been 2 weeks. I didn't post because I was very busy because of college and I was coming home at 6 every day. I was so exhausted, I didn't have time to film or edit, so I didn't post. But now I'm gonna be consistent. This is the promise to myself. Yes, so let's get started. I woke up at 6:30 because I thought I had college today, but I didn't have college today. My mom's friends were coming over, so I went and helped her cook.
6 hours later.
So sorry you guys. I didn't film anything the whole day. I was very sick. After those aunties left, I was so sick. I slept for 2 hours. Yeah. Because I didn't record today, I thought that I should record the whole week. I feel like that would be fun. What do you guys say as a compensation? I'll see you tomorrow morning.
The next morning.
Good morning. It is Tuesday, 16th September, and I have college today, so let's get ready for that.
This is gonna be so funny. It's so funny. Oh my god. Who are you? And who are you? Hey, let's go. These are my benchmates. Guess what? I lost my notebook. It's that one notebook which I write all the subjects in. And I lost that. And we had English class first, and now we're gonna have physics. And we are having EC class next. And we have a test in EC, and I did not study for that because I don't have my notebook. This is for the chemistry project, guys. We didn't study for our test, so we have to do this. Bhakti, will you study for your test from next time? Yes, I will. This tastes so good. Ah! Yummy. It's really sweet. So good, bro. I have a test tomorrow. Chemistry test. 4 questions, guys. Only 4 questions. It's not that deep. Actually, it was supposed to be today, but then we had an option. She was like, if you want to make poster, you can make poster, or else you'll have to write a test. And everybody said yes to the poster. But nobody got posters, like chart papers to draw the posters on. So we had to go to the stationery shop and buy it. I had English lab and I had to talk about myself, and I promoted this channel. Anyways, I'll have dinner. You'll see me doing my homework, hopefully. I just remembered. This is the t-shirt I wore in the last vlog. I was studying for an exam, which, by the way, update, I passed all 4 subjects. That's right. And I got a 10-pointer in one.
And I was saying that I won't pass in stat and computational, right? In computational I got 7, bro. I thought I won't pass. I got 7 CGPA. I'll gladly take it. I already got ready for college. Go down and eat breakfast and off we go. How was the test?
She wrote so much you actually won't believe.
Really?
Big pages were
Nice.
completed. Nalgonda, I wrote something filtration, sedimentation, something. I wrote flow.
I wrote all
That is
mixed
only
together.
there.
Nice.
I wrote for Nalgonda, I wrote all mixed. I did not mention any titles.
Bro, I didn't know we had to write breakpoint chlorination.
Even I didn't know.
I wrote
After
it
she
in the
mentioned,
last. This is so much fun. I love this. Crazy people. Vlogging. Crazy vlogging. College is over. I have a free period now. I'm gonna watch the summer writer. Hello guys, I'm back home and actually it's very late. It's 9 p.m. right now and I went to my karate class. I came home by 7:30 and then I took a shower, I had dinner and now I came up for studying and it's raining so heavily. It has been raining since afternoon actually. I mean, it's not like I hate the rain. It's just that I hate the rain when I'm outside. When I'm at home, I love it. I like, drinking hot coffee or hot cocoa and like sitting in my front yard, looking at the rain, enjoying it. But not when I'm outside. I don't like my pants and socks getting wet. Anyways, I will study and you will see me tomorrow. Bye, good night. It is 18th of September. It's a Thursday. And guess what, guys? I told you, right? I was raining heavily yesterday. Look at this. Look at that. You can't even see the ground. Hey. What the hell? So, when I got up, I was checking the WhatsApp to see if I have a holiday today. Got ready for college. The shirt is my mom's. The pants are my dad's. And I'm gonna wear my sister's shoes. Hey, let's go. Hi, Bhakti.
Why is it sunny today, Ra?
It feels
Because it
pretty.
rained too much yesterday.
Yeah, but it's fine. It looks pretty. Look.
Been both yesterday only. You could have seen a rainbow.
Damn, that looks so pretty. Wow, guys, we're eating. No, we're drinking Oreo milkshake. That looks so yummy. Day, guys, third dish. We spent more than 100 rupees. Wow.
Going to hostel. These guys are going to library for studying. Yeah. Afternoon they went, but they did not do anything. They ate Manchurian cake.
Yeah. No, we didn't take only Manchuria. We had Manchuria.
Oreo
We had
milkshake.
Oreo milkshake. And dosa. Masala dosa.
With karam.
With karam.
Dosa.
And it was yummalicious, guys. Look at where she's sitting. The waterfall is right there.
Can I try to jump?
Yeah, do it, Ray. I'll do it. She's gonna jump, guys. I'll push you off. Hi, you guys. This is. Introduce
I'm
yourself.
Sahasra.
Yeah, and guess what, guys? She's my classmate also.
She's my friend, not my classmate.
And she comes with my boss also.
Yeah.
So she's basically like a soulmate.
Yes. Twin.
Twin. Yes.
Slay.
We wrote a chemistry test yesterday, right? Remember? She got 15 out of 15, guys. Topper. Clap for her. Come on, you little weirdo. Yeah, she got 15 out of 15. She's so cool, man. I could never be her. Yeah. Say something about yourself.
Me.
Why are you so awkward, though?
I am an awkward baby.
Hey,
girl.
it's fine, it's fine.
What do I say? What do I say?
I don't know.
I only got these marks because of chemistry, or else.
Or else.
I'll fail.
Negative.
Negative.
Say bye.
Bye.
You guys, look at this. He's so sweet. And he's cutting it for me. Anyways, we got our biometrics done. And now...
It was so... What do I say?
It was a very long queue, actually.
Not true, but it got a different kind of feeling while I'm doing the biometry. I don't know what kind of
Bhakti. Bhakti. Oh my god, this is so funny. I cannot. I did not film anything today, but like, we ball. I will not be recording tomorrow also because we have EWS workshop, that is engineering workshop, and we're not allowed phones. So I will not be recording, and after that I have clubs. I am in the Toastmaster club, so we can't record in that also. Anyways, so this is the last day. That is it for this video. I hope you loved it, and if you did, please like the video and post some comments, you guys. I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.